This is how they intend to tax Ghanaians to collect their target of 200 billion Ghana cedis in tax revenues this year. This NDC government accused us, the MPP administration, of overtaxing the people of Ghana, because by the end of 2024, the MPP administration collected 152.9 billion Ghana cedis, and that was 17% tax to GDP ratio, taking it from President Mohammed's 13% in 2016. How do you then turn around to expect to collect 200 billion Ghana cedis in an economy you call a broken economy? Ladies and gentlemen, we, the mighty minority, will join the people of Ghana to resist any attempt to smuggle in new taxes or increase existing taxes. We owe
okay. And some minority no so editu Ghana. They went ahead to speak on Dumso load shedding. Are we having load shedding? Yente minority.
Your record on Dumso is abysmal, unlike your predecessor, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, who kept the lights on. Yeah. As we are back to Dumso in another Mahama term, Ghanaians remember with fear and anxiety the potential devastation this could cause for them and their businesses, especially small businesses like hair salons, welders, dressmakers, and many more who earn their daily bread from these vocations. Many people and businesses have already felt the pinch and the pain of living with the current Dumso. We have also seen the return of electric generating sets in shops, in clinics, and at social events. Mr. President, this is the true state of our nation and not what you presented to Parliament.
Okay. Enra, Honorable Kwame Agboja governs Eba Kumasi, no cause from a magazine. Osasu call Achumampunia. Now he has closed the bridge. Wakotum. Eti yente sema okan no amra one regional minister ekwa probo ho no. Sa bridge a branch ne ye ya wakotum no. Ya Grace yente sema okan no.
I thank you all, including the regional heads of the agencies working under the Roads Ministry. It is true that this situation was reported and picked up since 2018. But we never had a solution. President Mahama says he is not president to complain. He's a president to deal with things. So he sent me here this morning to assess the situation. What we have seen here now, I agree with you. We need to completely shut down the bridge to allow the engineers to work with the contractors to quickly remedy the situation. We're going under the bridge, seeing some of the terrible situations here. We are also aware that because of the mining issues around the area, sometimes heavy trucks are brought across the bridge, and sometimes instead of driving them on a low bed, they actually offload the equipment and drive them. So of course, if you are driving an excavator with a chain on it, the vibration and other things will make it worse. So when we finish, we will expect that nobody should do that. So now that the regional minister and the regional security council have declared that this bridge is no longer available for traffic, he's described the detour, the places we will pass, and we will help. We hope that the police will make sure that nobody can. Today, we are handing over the site to the contractor to start work. Today, we are not going to go through.
The minister for Abuja, and Mami kwa homano so na mene engineer Atapoku enkocho chinkomo. Metro Director, Urban Roads. Engineer, memo achano pay. Engineer Tapoku Temenka. Sompa FM. Good morning, Engineer Tapoku.
Good morning.
Now, what to say?
Oh, we have a call.
You know about the say. Anopay Sompa for the Assesswanya Brain and near Kasa. And roads minister governs Agbojaba Krum na Inyantese Oko Swami magazine Kohe the state of the Interchange project. Wadaroma and they project no ehina modro dia na omo ye wo hono mo Wadaroma na Adeakye Abia no babusa.
Okay, me that's many. I'm say interchange, and was the fuck when you watch what you phone na mama obiaso afisha pensa fi nkasa o Sompa so na the chain said some interchange two components. Phase 1 is phase 2. Phase 1 interchange and phase 2 local roads, underpasses, overpasses, on. It is also phase 1, which is the interchange. No, so your local roads around, say, in Rome, Equine, Swamianomani, Abrepo, CPC link, baby, Sabi. The two interchange the coin money, Pabinia Coinafa. The secret, so Africa, ever say, call. So I'm running about that. There's a front room knock of a CPC. As I first I'm running about because the call street, you know, really friends say you be a friend of Island. Na and no 12% complete interchange, a good 12%. And the local roads underpass and overpass and do 62%. I said I was set oh yeah, and now making sure any problem baby afa. Say to man. Na minister for roads na I'm say yeah born dinner and none other the kind of bar sentiment man also so I mean interchange no idea until person barber share no share baby drew consultants are more sabi the be more represented by the former associated consultants and contractor also a friend rango to know me now and engineers a na also on your first hand information, even though I'm not all highways committee and so as a ranking member, no the vice minister, no person no baby a crew and then near my house somewhere and it be a name anti intimate and contempt. And the Obama over reading na my resume say challenges be with payment near there and so overcome could do Huduma. Na you media assassin or simply be a scalpia na obutimi interchange we will be the first water interchange in Kumasi or the northern sector until na there here abine obia or minum bia until the no behind no so share on say free interchange kwanumanya also overpass or not correct and cross with like I say semi interchange na abusia crew also correct and yes for 190 miles on a magazine for the great in common more a resume foot trail bomb no NCP a coin no there contract and away no every year to me I Boniverse asphalt and as a blacktop and said a very foot on a back of then now you may deal with the cacao swimming.
What Wadaroma Okopie Muhonomo Swami artisans no one more Juma Honono answer no new Mobecasa na or mobo new almost a wall beer contractor not torno a sea or nimni ade but you are no so name was to say.
Oh, set design. The story designs the feasibility stage, design stage, and implementation. Before that, obey a favorite stakeholders meeting. Unya magazine for the now. Na options from a moment that no. If they are MCNs and a bay, star, shortcutting, no, and starting construction. Near stakeholder meeting, be how be a ometna, be to be a dinner, heading ya, connect beer. Bibi ho bia no na wapan sa so ya dia ebe engineering terms service so share asafo interchange ana asukwa interchange ana stofuna interchange ya yebe no na nkofo bi te baby ene wi no omo epiro te say ohwe amnaga junction ho e friend eastern bypass of you have a bus by interchange kanino na ho amnaga so be kan twen fa ho na ho ni tumia yebe ye kwan ni nipa ni na epiro ko so ko by Dumakubi or France from Agence Française de Développement, AFD, or Mona, or Buddhiscaba, yes, I find, or Mukoya Wood Village, or I know Wood Village, a free hopper. Sana as a fossil, maybe an interchange on Webu, so Kaya, Nako store, or Nanko 42, but interchange where was Sana so for lines, so Nanko 40 Jumabi, by Naye interchange, no, I finished road project, no. Nema be Brassan. So we be an apprentice college kwanda and a coffee into year design and now we interchange it will alter the original design at Neo. So we first all free from run about the snare core of friends to our own crime back also and then 40 interchange if we create separation. We go also we go say to be a what could not say be a a represent no nam so bi oba credit e be fa so bi o conference be fa so na e na sa na entity na sabi o magazine o bunkuma o timitim afi obi o nifa na de obi o nifa so e o kwan no o timitwam e kwesa e sa o se one o dream safety o dream nipa ho ana ka ka se e ba so no o timi enye ho but o pese e bia nipa crop pese o twam this separation a friend be underpass and overpass so the bear bit my first work say but so we can no agreed no and then a be really na a top speed that's so tema moto we ni nyanye no obi owo bunkuma otimi ru mi fa no na kasa no twembe we a an arterial road which the main purpose is for movement papa yes afena I local road obi twa no obi na media no say twemko SIS Tech Junction says okay first not traffic light or if traffic back the pedestrian bridge it is all free tech hospital call eja and I take an offer so fair just over an offer so the bear that bit my kwaba
okay
no go no so omono titini nyina omoti hono o bunkuma o timutwam ko nifa so twam bunkum e ne no wo no be sa obi kran tade obi hu ba bi omo ana minita ka say omunja ma no okonkran obehwe ni engineer foni abusia say underpass bia na tana na say ebeye the be on so much but see bubu wo ni nyina ade nya ade ebe because minu start space one ade and bibia so design ho first stakeholders it fit say no eno ni omo no montia say to cancer no omo dana say okay and you mbetwe na yes bia na hwe kwa so we person twem fasia e bia be ba so tuna ba bi tiam say no have a tardy no and the ya trust stage no
engineer meda wase anopay wo emra wanyama sompane na tiefo ne ahwefo meda sipi
meda sepa ne juma pa moye ma asanteman
okay engineer ohine ba tapoku na motese ne cheko metro director ya akwaba asante so akwaba mami entio yaw nsem no ya bru na gu ho bebre the national dialogue is on NPP's True State of the Nation's address and also so Adeakye Akando visiting Kumasi Agenda 111 Roads Minister in Kumasi Mami Tiarobe
Abunda NPP True State of the Nation address ne dey free na ko ye be hu bibiribe any I guess a president ama mekasa na se bia finance minister budget ya wo boabo no ho kra de akono next week the NPP forces so led by Abia the former finance minister so be my different view of budget no but akonta me the enra na ekoso akra economic dialogue ade ba mitrim say ohwe nimdie ene insusuya empenifo akese we ede ma enya asem ketwa but me worry say former President Mahama, no a former president in 2014, and organize a similar one say ya
Senchi
Kusia was Senchi. A junior Kessie ni Munketwa, Yechurogu Krataso, edema papa yi ede koto ho say 2 years say memye ye hu de kokosi ye bia but the ne minim say the goodwill Ghana for what the man no ena ono asoso se ne wa me ye hu no say apamdada no enye
we
apam foforo no me gidie because akwanta so what steady ade a ayi wo mo bedi ade awie sei no so mo kofia so be ka former president Kofo efiri akonya so emu hono ye kote se no suggest se Ghana ye democracy any terms na ye de ama ye president no kra no ya nesua eti se nke betimi ya nke enya amendment na nke mfa nko instead of 4 years no enye ne 5 years ema wo mo so mo di ade awie no mo kotena fie a ya na sa bre no na mo can say the reality ne why done on them
they
na
take introspection
mo ohun de oye ni ye ene de wanye ni ye de na amanfo ka no de no ne ye no kre a wanfi ede de na enye no kre so sabro mo it's President John Dramani Mahama said in 2014 oye similar one MPP anko ene so ma enya asem foforo bia nye wotamfo na ebetufo ama ode aye ade age animonyam eno de onfa nche ne tirim se nsi enya wanwa but so we nimde Professor Omanhene Yamson your friend say de adese mu nyina egu honom ne adwene ene ne ma omasa so ama a channel se wantimi ama conference na se anasa summit na se for nimde form social media platforms no so ne nyina ombe twro amyede afa kwan ye de fa so mani je pa atofo sensem o kan ye baby o man na ba bedru aye ntimi afford se ye be yam from so biu ebia ene decisions bi aye be take no e be tough e be din nipa bi nti ase but esese ye yemfefo nyina ekọ ene ko Burkina small boy ya ba be di so je ene ono na tima sori aka kire Ghana for say me ma kwan ma jene o emfiri mi kroma ma Ghana bio efiri na ko ye bedi ade Ghana ye de nsegu eti yesu Ghana
say yesu ye bedi ajele
ye ko dia ne he ye nkrofo we num
are covid ba ya anye ne ma nyame na akatra ko an so twe aso
mo small boy we o
unstop tomatoes ni jene
toast jene your friend say sa
ya ma de ne kra o si o be stop
kwate nyina o so stop
yeah, we towels and oh Ghana yeah dapafu yeah dapafu o ka ben kumbu ko Burkina Faso ko hu niam bi that time na nya brantie you oba o ka to say Ghanaians we are a nation of talkers
not doers ye pekasa
we are a tia ken obi grant baby obi twabo yesese anytime anybody proposes something positive
nimdia kese ne
we spend about $350 million at the koto yamade
yare
almost 300 million on jene almost 450 million on tomatoes yekra
omanya
korea from place akumada tomatoes echira ya yetimi ye asante achimfo etimi ye watermelon na pro
okay say body ba ma edu baby na ayi asante atimagogo na Burkina fo no de cabbage so no masesa
yes
koma edua na fe ne bi de da form na epro
and o se ono no jene
mahabio yesu
wonim de tra because on the jene no be ye bibi wo ho
that's it yetete wo sa
eje Buhari no stop it ayi emo
yes so oma bi manema mu bio
we are told the CSRI penny be a doctor bi wo ha
oma fa ne free care university
and oma fa the free care university e call Nigeria
and a former deputy agric minister okofo pen so oma fa ne ka ho ko e
omo ko boa say de be ya omo bedua omo amo for 6 months they stopped importation
yes
and then Nigeria for di omo amo reducing importation by almost 80%.
Yeah. Ghana ye dede.
Ya wonim de ntra.
A
political figure ekramo. A political figure ekra jene.
Yes.
A political figure ekra toast. Okra tomatoes.
Tomatoes.
Etu ka che say oh stop no a ompene.
Mo nkuko force yi
politicians
bebre and a crowded bagana ha.
So they will do everything possible to stop you.
Yes, so a major financier of the party or a major financier of Abia president, you know, the campaign near their day into no business. I say or crank kuko force no a kuyan at the bagana ha say and two kobo pottery farms who say credim now kobo Boris B mudi and a papa da ko farms mudi pe obasori because so mono ya pottery farm na ye ya ono no ntimi fa no kuko force no
a whole temporary refinery to hold you in the same because
obi interest
NBC time no more 14 almost lift oil refined a good for the buyer over combro 35
petrol ni diesel
because say a temporary refinery refinery a grofon chobo eba. You see the politician is so wicked. Some of them, let me say so. Eye pesemi kunyane di ombenyane omafu. Eti se nanka Keti Hamon ono ane party be sori etia no. Emra oka se one
cement.
Cement fo kokon. Emra oka se ye wo niema bi ho no ma. Yentimi enye se de be ya. Ye mai ho a year Ghana betima produce.
Yes.
No one party for catch us about fast.
Now say Mampani Jomama so ba ye the current trade minister so atwaso and cement for no aircon. It means akonta bibi e wo ho no mo a omo ede ye Ghana for. Yes, omo de ye Ghana for enye fair.
Yes.
But yet kure mu
obi
nchobo a obedie de ono no beja gu ne bottom nti no. Minister no ko boss wa no atam kakra de akwa makwabra ne bi ne jaro ne keso ma start. Enti ye Keti Hamon kan ye pekra na etie me kan se Keti Hamon time no ka se bibi ti se sichiri bibi ti se sardine akonta bibi ti se milk
enema bi ha yenjai
ne ye Ghana for na yetimi ye
I do milk ye say mo ma no produce yenyina na obi bedi milk a osikoto ideal milk bre me otoba osinyewe na mpe
me obi anaka na sikura
ti woni eni mobo samre detergent bi aye omo yes, your company see more awarding mo mujina ya
Pepsodent.
Toothpaste be a Pepsodent.
Ye di three crewe me akonta. Me there my only hope ne say President John Dramani Mahama why ye be pain wakwa ba.
Me say o be bagre dam no kra wo be.
Ideas we no nyina.
O be bagre dam.
E wo me say bi wo ho no ma e be dia magana.
Ghana say bi o man is not ya jimi do.
Akonta baby e.
About
a small boy we Boakye ni small boy we.
Yes.
So you know what didn't you say?
And near my wife, all them says see real estates. Ama ekuro no. Enti offer one city to say pankro no ha na hwan ha no ma. Wa ma omo be 2 years say o si adan no wi a omuntunko. Na omo continue with
dodo na so or the local contractors ni kuro no ma sojafo no a omo good dem no omo nya enye no.
Why gold di nyina
one Canada for no gold issue no na the brain fees say or kontoko a ontimi ninkunim eso say na sika na opa about $300 million no say ne so a say o ma Canada for no a triple sika no e dia mo mine say
and also afi o mo goto o gold
ye gudie nyina multinational
companies triple no man no so o mo goto aso nye o mo gold
that's it
o mo tie sika na ma no
ye ni picture say penny bia
ko he shares one global ko he shares one Newmont ko he shares one Asanko ye do she go and check the oil your percentage
why you no cry there
ye penny for no na de ya kran say yawe yaw o mo nyini pa nso o mo tifie du akire no wo mo nso na sika pena ye o mani aha yo
o mani brisika no
small boys ayi another time board directors
yes
o ma no be board chairman penifo wo mo nso na di dream
ta yenchi wo nyina na
Ghana ha
enye ne
menu bienu
Dominica ye ne se
menu bienu try your old place ma me ka say Ekufuado weak link chief of staff
it's true
o ma bro me
oh yeah
o mbe ye me
ene Dominica ye
ni weak link Julius Debra hweye
oh yeah
John Mama be subsidy and be top for my
it depends on the chief of staff and
on for the Nancy form na
ono table so na krata bia be
fa na call my penny John Mama ho
Secretary ni do ni table so that's one stopping a drum and penny anymore. Definitely will be taking action.
Mami kwa asante boy, asante.
My obi kasa Ghana your my pekasa in Paku Dibem so bekasa. And then maybe why any kasa tenten. Most of them needs an action that a deliberate one because and some I can you fool you say your Tamara refinery for most best 9 years in the end so that I'm for an aircraft. Am I issue? I'm for a view why maybe why you didn't be na year maybe say omunya adwuma na akeke because some of these jobs are not giving us any dividend. And my emphasis will be about no say a say company you do be a transfer onye adwuma no. But some so on say kai de man no. Sebi udwiri ho a won tiase. Eniama ye ka fa mo ne wole ni sanema we nyinaa oma enye ade enwanwa na Cote d'Ivoire Burkina Faso advance ne ma waye na champion ye 1974-93 utisi ya dan
Oye ma ne bro so kra
a champion ye twam ti de waye no champion ye twam a Ghana Frontier champion say operation feed of self some of these champion interventions most of the estates of Ghana nyina champion ye nyina
obe kra no kuta champion blueprint
of course and boano intermediate abrante na waye say ono wode you pense cargo planes na sisa na ma come na kokoton na ade woni tina waye sa na ma we na Ghana won kase wakati grain import export ma ye nya bia say ye na say ye ho na yenso senka maybe do ye say friends planning for food and jobs ebusu amamanfo de omnema besesa enema koton ya e de na toase ne enkoso anye sa anema o ma me de mama and me pese make mama Rana is enjoying his honeymoon because we can say bia na time is on his side ade bia be can bia fe no aban say for at least 1 year there as they be can bia mama no be yakono sa ko me say most of the decisions begin to bear some results na nkanye sa me ntiase da say ebesi na yeken me dey metwe budget no say you say northern region you beti me see dams and last year mo ka say $10,000 can build one dam I ne yehu de koso say at least you just about 50 of them to start doing some of these irrigation farming be boa ma man ye adwuma ye me de dru no and now me can say ye ka say poultry sa akokwa nkitinkiti project ko ma ka say ni bre no mo ni akọ man ni pe be nya adwuma ye ma we say mu no we have no idea ekwaye nko abema mabru ntutu kwa basabasa no a Dr. Yamson can say we say Arawo se say Ghana mabunu akwantu omutu aimlessly sebe akwa no wonim de odna bra boy ye wose me ko hwazo because of leadership failure ebesi ne ye mabunu kwa na eko etu kwan sa okwa koye adwuma bi wo ma obi man so a enti bi ni Ghana ase ni mo enti you know the maker no pay say ye mpani for most of this dialogue no on my year but I can say most of these answers are already known most of them could be this lengthy dialogue but just a matter of beauty of sharing different views in teenage man penika so yes dialogue here all these problems and answers have been prescribed ordinary citizens can just give you the cure the solution but who is to apply the cure
the implementation
cure na be ma ye ho atoye no ne party ni na di we free baby ba ne party na go for we say ba ni nua bi ba sa ne ma ne na ma o ma ye brand say dialogue no ye hwe say o mampanyi mama ene mampanimfo agogo dan this CSO so ni mpanimfo onya agogo ho no e de ba no o man mgidi say ebebo na me dem ni say no pani say o man minority for your state of national address we should be expecting it but me ade ba ko mo kan ya me no mo nya adwen ye say o mo see emfa low shedding timetable mra eno no o man okay say low shedding timetable bia obi wana obi ani bi ye nya obi because na poka che Ghana for say there will be no timetable and for that matter timetable no pe bia why are we and I think say many do say obi empene timetable because that time no na MPP man they now minority then majority no o man can we and say the napoka and say one can say ye emia no and problem e man catch and say low shed and as problem say ba because of 20 October last year say can this maintenance service na nka mo amane ma yantimi anye afeni ye say o ka sansem nyoma me say the government is beautiful at this time ade obeka bia wonya honeymoon but enema kon kan be 1 year when 1.5 years afeni no wantimi anye sa ne mo obeka amanfo nya sympathy
obi am feel bio all right the Hajj issue is seriously boiling up
National Cathedral nenya Hajj village the ye national cathedral sending say about $400 million. Hajj village here can one semi. Close to about $600 million assembly ye can you. Okoka say and the taxpayers money. Na Ghana Airport Company Limited no Kokwa Santi Ebwadia. Nye Ghana there. Ghana Airport Company
taxes or mojiji nyina no. Eno bi no mo so mo.
Yesika na modi sisa Hajj village ne si hono. So ho akonta. Mo say enye taxpayers money. But Ghana Airport Company Limited near Ghana for dia. So airport na yes Kumase no. Airport na si Tamale. Airport na si Nkran no. Any the ACC ade na omo manage de maye no. Say plane fra broche de ba bisi so. No mo ji plane ni sika. Omo ji in the name of Ghana for. Ghana for ye sika. And ya di sa airport.
If you are doing extension,
yes.
Now we create Hajj village for checking near there.
Ghana ska. And don't mean kase and ye Ghana for sika
statement.
Any question Ghana for
the Hajj village is primarily an airport terminal building for checking and in pilgrim facilitation, owned and built by the Ghana Airport Company, not a peswa of taxpayers' money involved.
Na Ghana Airport Company ne wadia. Sasa mna fellows kwa chofu suke Canada.
Oza edu baby out. Kasa timima o de nipa ko to adwam. O baba yi jo mama kasa wiye.
Yes.
Na obi ansoma no o de ko to the page o.
Yeah.
And mama for the bus. You see the irony of it is this, yaw. As at the time, na Ghana for enyina to omano a Christopher 42.
Yeah.
Eje kremofo. Yeah. Ya to ye na egu National Cathedral so.
Yes.
That time when a cat sword for Hajj village.
Yes.
Not one Muslim said say e come the Ghana for tima ye nye. Asofo kuku dam and a sorry ti ai. And ye Hajj village ni busa o ahokyere ko.
David.
80,000 Ghanaians I see textbooks ye nyama nkwala no. Na ye see aban na ko 25 million koboa National Cathedral. Textbooks no ya printed. Ya printed.
Say nkwala ni nyina nya tables atna.
Nkwala ni nyina nya tables atna so. You see the hypocrisy of us and the hypocrisy of Christians. A Christopher ye de fa National Cathedral hono. Obubu say the tieska.
Akota sofo ka say Christopher kra de ase wate so.
Obubu say the tieska.
Asofo kuku dama wantu aka pre sofo na wantu aka pre.
They say Hajj village. Producer ya mo adwene mra ha. Hajj village. Ye kate sort. Last year.
Yes.
Ba umia na ko kate sort. That time na National Cathedral. Na wasem what is so big Hajj village one say?
Yeah.
Dr. Mahmoud Baumia be renovate Asante Mantem ha a mosque.
Central Mosque.
Kobu said the amount of money involved. What is so big aside? Mutaka no NDCD. All Obiano no come.
He was there.
It's a Christopher ne asofo. Ye hypocrites.
Akotentina me say Ghana.
Ye hypocrites.
Problem nyina and the money be one anka.
Na se see abi ba abayaba. It's the priority of Ghanaians Hajj village.
Yeah. Yes, I
buying so or 5,000 of them. Sikana also mutiano. Kana watchra be. Abano class what so. Mibusa. That subsidy no says Sikana buying the support 5,000 airlifting. What pre-finance no. No mutio musika about 13 no. Omubu bebre. They don't have the means. Abano thank you.
Yes.
Sikana thank you.
Yes.
Why can't we tell ourselves the truth? And then Ghana they hear any Hajj village. But okay, can I say a Christopher there, a Cremofo? No, this has nothing to. Chief Imam, rep and a friend say, Arabia. He says he does not see why government should get himself involved in the Hajj.
No, yes.
Oh, no, also who didn't hear because
it's your personal
Ma abine kase or sponsor Christians to Israel. Who the hell you say?
Yes. Yeah, akota me see
70% yes here Christians.
Let's
stop the hypocrisy.
My
brand tebra be so never to us.
My Ghana ye be so ntrumu so say ye ko parliament akwa semra nsa.
We ansa na
ye ga ntrumu
Abraham Kremofo ne a Christopher.
My ye say
ye kwa semra nsa ntrumu.
Ọmọ yẹ say Christo
Supreme Court.
Let the Supreme Court ni ye che ho manso Supreme Court say ntimi nka asem we ọmọ
Bini abeso mama zinko aye crack. What the tip of ba. I don't know hypocrite.